Hi guys, welcome back on our YouTube channel. So guys, on our last video, Revive Phoenix won against Brave Valkyrie. But this time, Revive Phoenix find Dynamite Belial. Alright guys, so let's see if Dynamite Belial handle this awesome battle.
The final one.
For your information, this Dynamite Belial has a 2A gear. Nice, 2A gear. So let's see. Alright. Nice. So, Absorb versus Venture. Alright. Nice. Round 1. 3, 2, 1. Dash it. 3, 2, 1. Dash it. Nice. Nagigilds si Dynamite Belial. But I think Absorb gonna win. Revive Phoenix. Oh! Wow! What amazing. No! Revive Phoenix wins.
Wait, what? Kasi
Revive Phoenix.
No.
Life after death.
No, kasi si Dynamite Belial na ganyan.
Guys, comment lang kayo, di ba? Si Revive Phoenix ang
si
panalo.
Dynamite Belial, di ba?
Okay, so let's check the comment section kung sinong nanalo. Okay guys, so round 2. Alright, so 3, 2, 1.
That's it!
So guys, si Fender just di makapaniwala na ang nanalo ay si Revive Phoenix dun sa unang round. But this time, who's gonna win? Oh, looks wobbling. Revive Phoenix, but ayun na, nanalo na naman si Revive Phoenix, Life After Dead.
Okay.
So, ang ganda ng Absorb 2-0. Ano yan? No? So, Fender just changed low mode on the Dynamite Belial. So, let's see. 3, 2, 1. Go! Oh, tumalon na. One more, tumalon. Gosh. Nice. Mas agresibo ngayon si Dynamite Belial. I think Dynamite Belial
can
won this round. Let's see. And the winner is yes. Dynamite Belial won. 2-1. Alright, so 3-1. That's it. Nice.
Whoa!
Hindi pa natamaan yun. First contact. Dynamite Belial. Attacking Revive Phoenix.
Dynamite Bomba!
Nice! Dynamite Belial won that round. All 2, so let's see if Dynamite Belial or Revive Phoenix won. Last round, guys. Nice. Nice, Revive Phoenix. You can do it, Revive Phoenix. You can beat Dynamite Belial. Oh. But guys, see, Dynamite Belial's very strong on the low mode. Low mode wins. Dynamite Belial, nice guys.
Revive Phoenix. Burn.
Dynamite Belial. Alright, guys. So, bye-bye, guys. See you on our next video.
Stay safe, hang on, so you're
Play.
Bye-bye. Woo! Thank you, Belial. The Lord of Destruction ends.